Hello my crypto enthusiasts, welcome back to the Crypto Catalyst, your favorite crypto host. Into this video guys, we're taking a closer look at something that's a bit different from the usual crypto projects, a layer 1 blockchain that combines the real world assets with the AI compute, and it's called AIC chain. And honestly guys, this is one of those narratives that could become much bigger over the time. You'll see what I'm talking about, because into this video I'm going to show you everything what you need to know about the AIC chain, the massive ecosystem and what they have to offer. So overall guys, let's start right now. So guys, let's start with what AIC chain actually is. The AIC chain is a layer 1 blockchain designed specifically for the two things: the high frequency real world asset trading and AI compute trading. And that combination is actually very powerful, because instead of focusing only on DeFi or speculation, AIC chain is trying to connect the physical assets like an energy, oil, commodities with digital economy. That is something that can be right now really powerful. So they even describe it, as you can see, as a kind of a highway between the real world value and the blockchain infrastructure. And what makes it even more interesting guys is the baking. Look at that. The project is positioned as being co-launched with sovereign capital, including the entities connected to Abu Dhabi and the major hedge funds. So from a narrative standpoint, this is a clearly targeting institutional grade infrastructure in my opinion guys. Overall, AIC chain is not trying to be another generic layer 1 guys, it's positioning itself as the intersection of the real world assets and the AI. So let's talk about technology side. As you can see over here, the technical architecture guys. AIC chain is built as an independent high performance layer 1 with its own architecture. At the core they use something called AI, as you can see DPoS, which is basically an AI driven consensus system. What you need to understand guys, that this allows nodes to be dynamically scored and balanced, which helps maintain performance even under the heavy transaction load. They also focus heavily on execution efficiency, as you can see over here on the right side. We're talking about instant finality, intelligent node scheduling and gas fees under the $0.1, plus full EVM compatibility, which makes it easier for developers to build, I would say, on the top. But what really stands out guys is the compute layer. They are introducing the GPU based real world tokenization, meaning the real world computer instances like H100 clusters can be represented and traded on the chain. So instead of just trading tokens, you're trading actual compute power guys. As you can see with your own eyes, the tech is actually here, and the tech here is built for a scale guys, not just for trading tokens but for handling real world data and AI workloads. So here is the where things right now get interesting guys. As you can see, the AIC chain combines the two major narratives. One more time, the real world assets, and on the other side AI compute. On the real world asset side, they're focusing heavily on energy. Things like an oil, gas and carbon credits can be issued, tracked and traded on the chain. They also mentioned something called digital twin guys, as you can see over here, which maps real world assets like reserves and logistics directly on the blockchain. And on the other side, on the AI side, they're building a system for trading and leasing compute power. That includes right now the AI model trading, GPU cluster leasing, and even quant strategies that analyze markets like crude oil futures guys. So overall, a lot of markets guys. So this is not just an infrastructure, it's trying right now to create a full ecosystem around data, energy and the AI. This dual narrative guys, real world assets plus AI, is what gives AIC chain a strong long-term positioning guys, in my opinion. Now let's look at how the system works economically guys. Let's talk about tokenomics. As you can see, AIC chain uses a dual token model. The main token is AIC, which acts as the core of the value assets. It's used for the gas, staking and governance as well, as you can see over here. And total supply is $100 million over here. So overall, with 8% allocated to the mining, as you can see. Then there is a USDI, a stable assets right now packed 1-to-1 to USDT. This acts as a circulation layer between the fiat and on-chain systems. One interesting mechanism here is called burn to earn. Users right now can burn USDI to mine AIC. For example, burning 1000 USDI could generate around 100 AIC per year. This creates of course a deflationary effect and constant buy pressure on the main token guys. Overall, the token model is designed to create a closed economic loop between the stable value and the growth assets, in my opinion. Down below guys, you can right now check out their docs, which is something what I can really highly recommend for you guys. You can over here get into the details, get into the technical details guys. Everything over here, every aspect of the ecosystem is prepared for you in the details. So my high recommendation one more time guys, definitely take your coffee, take your time and check this out, because this is really important, guys, when you're talking right now about expanding the knowledge about the AIC chain, how everything over here, guys, is functioning. Alright, next to it, guys, you can right now check out the whole ecosystem, guys, because the whole IOC ecosystem is really big. Now, looking at the ecosystem over here, guys, AIC is already right now building out the infrastructure, guys. There is a native DEX for trading electricity. Look at that, guys. You can right now check it out by clicking on it. You just need to connect your MetaMask wallet, for example, or a Phantom wallet. On the other side, guys, next to it, we have a cross-chain bridge as well. Look at that cross-chain bridge, guys, for interoperability. And as well, we have right now over here the Explorer. That is something as well really incredible. Next to it, look at the Explorer for tracking transactions, guys. And we have over here the public host for developers to access testnet tokens. This is also something incredible, guys. And also, guys, next to it, when you take a look at the ecosystem, they also provide a full developer hub over here with documentation. You can, guys, check it out as well. Everything is over here prepared, guys. Look at that massive ecosystem. That is something what I have mentioned, guys, in a couple of times. And as well, guys, next to it, one interesting, guys, detail, the project right now was even showcased in the Times Square in New York. That is something you don't see often, guys. That is something what we can see over here on the official XM Twitter profile of the AIC chain. Look at that, guys. AIC chain in a Times Square, New York, guys. As you can see clearly, they are pushing both development and visibility at the same time. But look at that, guys. That is something what I have never seen so far in my crypto career, I would say. And the AIC chain, because of that, is really something different, guys. As you can see, the ecosystem is already forming, guys, and it's focused on both developers and the real-world integration. This is really important to follow them as well over here on the XM Twitter, so you can right now stay up to date with everything what is happening as well, and expect to create great things from the AIC chain. So, guys, if you zoom out, AIC chain is trying to position itself as an infrastructure for a new type of economy. One where real-world assets are tokenized, AI compute is traded like a commodity, and everything is settled on a chain. This is not a short-term narrative, remember that, guys. It's something that could develop over multiple cycles, guys. That is the real-world utility over here. This is a long-term infrastructure play, guys, not just a short-term hype project. So overall, guys, the AIC chain is combining some of the biggest narratives in crypto right now, real-world assets and the AI, remember that, guys. And instead of treating them separately, it's building a system where they work together. Right now, the ecosystem is incredible. You can right now check out everything what they have. And always, guys, this is not financial advice, guys. It's only for education purposes. Please do your own research, guys, before making any investments. You can right now as well leave your thoughts and comments down below. But if you're looking at the project that aim to build a real infrastructure, this is definitely one to keep on your radar. So after that, guys, please check all the description box down below and smash that like, share, and subscribe. It means a lot. That was a Crypto Catalyst, and I'll catch you in the next video.